Welcome, in front of me is a NEFFOS X9, and today I'll show you how to block a number. So to start off, you will want to open up the dialer app. There's one right here. And I already put in like some random number, basically same number, it doesn't exist really. So once you have the number, for instance, that you want to block, the simplest way to do it is just hold the number that, let's say, called you, and then you can tap here, add to blacklist, like so. And incoming calls and messages from the number will be blocked. Cool. So now if this number would call me, it would get straight up blocked. You can also tap on the dots up here and go into Harassment Filter and see the number is right here. So you can also remove it from here if you want it unblocked, or you can tap on add, and then you have a couple options to add a phone number, add prefix and stuff like that. So you can basically set up odd numbers that haven't called you and stuff like that. So as you can see, you have a couple other options. Well, that's basically how you would add a number to blacklist. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.